Hello and welcome back to Joe's Math Tools. In our session today, we are adding improper fractions with like denominators by first converting them into their mixed fraction form. And if you're ready to see how this is done, let's get started. So to begin, we're going to first convert our improper fractions into their mixed fraction form. And remember that whenever you are converting an improper fraction to a mixed fraction, that means that our denominator will be dividing into our numerator. And I know that sometimes it may be tempting to reduce your fraction first, but remember that if you already have a common denominator amongst your fractions, avoid reducing the fraction to change up any of the numbers so that you won't have to worry about finding the LCD again. Okay, so we're going to be dividing 8 into 12, which goes once. 8 times 1 is equal to 8, and 12 minus 8 gives us the difference of 4. So my mixed fraction for 8 twelfths will be 1 whole. 4, which is my remainder, will be my numerator, and 8, which is my denominator, will stay the same. So my mixed fraction, I will now input for my first fraction. And now I'm going to begin converting my second fraction, which is 9/8, into its mixed fraction form. And we will repeat the same steps where we divide our 8 into our 9. And 8 will divide into 9 once. 1 times 8 is equal to 8. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. And our mixed fraction will be 1 whole and 1/8. So let's input that back into our equation as well. So now that we have our fractions in their mixed fraction form, remember that we can just add the whole numbers and then work out the numerators and our fractions separately. So we'll add 1 plus 1, which will equal to 2. And then we'll work out our fractions for 8 plus 1/8, which will equal to 5/8. And remember that depending on where you are and your level of set skills, the working that I did at the side, you may not necessarily need to do that because you'll be at the point where you can do all of the working within the question, and that is quite fine. Remember that this is just a beginning video, so we're going to do all the working for our like fractions on the screen so that you'll be able to follow along. But as we develop our skills, I will begin to scale back or cut out completely all of the extra working because we are focusing on building your math skills. Okay, so I hope this was very helpful to you. I hope you were able to follow along, and most importantly, I hope this assisted you with knowing how to add your improper fractions by converting them into a mixed fraction first. And remember to get some more practice in, and I'll see you right here in the next video on Jules Math Tools, where we aim to make math easy.